whatever the chip bag wants me to design, I'll do it. I honestly didn't even think it would turn out like this, because sometimes like my drawings don't make sense, so I'm like, whew, okay, let's do this. I've never filmed a video face to face that I'm actually taking it seriously, you know? Let's begin. I'm Ysabel Hilado, and today I designed an outfit inspired by Takis. I've been planning my return back to YouTube for a while because, first off, I have all these subscribers but no content, and I feel super bad about that. I just really wanted to do something fun for myself, fun to put content out there, because I really do love showing people what I love to do. And I thought it would be fun for you guys to see the process of everything. It's like a little challenge, like, oh my gosh, Project Runway challenge. I thought this series would be fun to do, to show you guys how I gain design inspiration from chip bags. So my boyfriend Justin, he calls it Chips and Fits. I wanted to call it I Design, or the I Design series. So this will be the I Design series, and the category of the series is Chips and Fits. So I'll be designing a lot of clothes, outfits, even accessories. We'll see what I can do. Here's the design that I came up with. I've been designing this for a very long time. I was able to really take in the process and really sit on some ideas. All the fabric that I'm using is Ponte Roma. Ponte? How to pronounce Ponte? Ponte Roma. I had different thought processes for each one, but the main one I ultimately did was this one right here. The main thing I was probably inspired by was the Taki itself, which it kind of showcases on this pant. The hardest part of this pant was trying to figure out how to do the ruching. I get the concept of ruching, but I really wanted to keep the straight leg silhouette for the pant. It's like another layer I sewed in. Love the ruching on the sides and how it's like nicely layered over. So now I'm just going to cut the drawstrings on those. They're a little long. The whole elastic drawstring is in right now. I think I'm going to do an elastic waistband with a cord lock. I decided to change it because I hate the way it looks with the drawstring, since it's already tied at the bottom like that. And I love the color of the cord stop. It's like I was gonna say invisible. It's like invisible, but no, it's like, you get the point. It looks cool. And of course, I had to put pockets. Here's how the pants look like after I put in the drawstring. What's fun about this pant is that it kind of looks like a Taki. If you really look at it, it does look like a Taki. Once I came up with it, I was like, damn, I'm good. Now for the top. You can tell that it went through a lot when I designed this. Literally, the top that I ended up designing does not look like any of this, but the colors are pretty consistent. And so I really wanted to incorporate the purple because obviously purple is the bag. So I was playing around after I was sewing this top, and I came up with a completely new design. So basically the strap that was supposed to go diagonal, I basically just tied it around the main part of the top and came up with this cute little bralette idea, and I'm kind of loving it. Right, babe?
Yes, baby. I love it. Amazing.
Yes. So he was there for that whole thing, and I think I'm gonna do it. Now we're gonna talk about how I styled this whole look. The first thing that I thought was really cool that I unintentionally bought, I went to Roseville Flea Market with my boyfriend. I ended up finding this lady who had like a booth of vintage jewelry, and they were all like $2 each. I found these fun little earrings, but then I realized they look like the eye in Takis. These were perfect earrings, and I didn't even know that I was even gonna incorporate this into this look. I love the whole layered necklace look, so obviously I had to add that in as well. I ended up buying the Aleli mace for the shoot. These have been on my wish list for a very long time. All the colors all together, amazing, perfect. I did 2 French braids for my hair, and yeah, it was just simple styling, nothing crazy. It's a disaster.
What's going on with you?
I don't know. You can help me clean up like there?
Yeah, dip brow pomade.
Yep. Put my mascara in.
Better than sex.
Yep. Bring my highlight.
The OFRA.
Yep, Ofra. One more braid to go. Are you wearing underwear? No, underwearless. Gosh, I have so much hair.
Well, you need to cut your hair.
There's this place called the Dutch Mill in my area. It's pretty much a drive-in liquor store. And my photographer was Mikael Angelo. He shot my collection back in January. And so it was fun to work with him again. We're about to shoot with Mikael. You see that? He's about to make some magic right here. Woo! We're at the Dutch Mill. We're about to shoot this look. You see this? You see this?
What J's are those?
A Lily Maze. It's a look.
And this is the theme? You got the vision? Yes, sir.
You guys with music?
Music?
Play some music.
I'll mix some music right now. Up.
You said you don't know how to pose.
Do I know how to pose?
Yeah, you do.
Okay. Okay, great.
Fierce. Asha fierce.
Huh?
Nah, then.
Get open on. I'm crying. This is an Amerigas. It's an Amerigas. Yeah. It's like put in my boob. He's like, no.
He's serious. He said no.
You can just hold it like a cigarette.
Like a what?
Like a cigarette.
How do they hold it?
Between the two fingers.
Yeah?
Somewhat. Let's see how you do it.
I don't smoke,
What
bro.
a rookie. What a rookie, bro. Rookie move.
I don't smoke.
In her-
Something to take the edge off.
My lunch. Oh, dude, this looks crazy.
Shout out Lisa Koshi. Should we do another one?
Nice.
What's for me? I'm a fashion designer. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
The Takis commercial.
Takis.
The whole thing about Ysabel Hilado. Designer Ysabel and this thing.
I think we're good.
We're good?
Woo!
Alright, you guys satisfied? Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah. Ooh.
Successful shoot.
Yeah.
Michael, any words?
It was hot, but it was good. I've never shot at like a liquor store. They look good.
This is an ad for Dutch Mill.
Like, it looks better than most places I go to.
Every car passed by that.
You can't-
I was like, oh, that's my girlfriend. Michael, shout out your Instagram.
Michael.Angelo, but Michael is weird. Yeah. So yeah, it will be somewhere there, right?
Grace, what's your Instagram?
Grace. Cute.
UNHAEAN.
Uh-huh.
That's my best friend since first grade.
I'm gonna shout out my Instagram.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
Justin. What's your Instagram?
He
He was like, I'm gonna shout out my Instagram.
HYPE.
I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Crazy that I'm finally doing this again. Follow me at Ysabel Hilado on Instagram, and remember that's Isabel with a Y. And then at Ysabel Hilado on Twitter. Thank you to Michael, thank you to my boyfriend Justin, and thank you to Grace for coming along with me for the shoot. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. That sounds so weird. It sounds so weird that I'm saying that because I always watch YouTubers say that, and now I'm gonna say that. This is probably gonna be pretty cool for me. This is gonna be a fun experience I really want you guys to come along with. And I guess a quick update on my life. Yeah, so what I've been doing since, maybe I'll do a Q&A one day. I don't know. I'll be getting my degree in fashion design, which is super exciting, I guess. I guess because, like, you know, student loans that I'm about to take out, but you know, that's fine. It's totally fine. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this look. Like, what'd you like about it? What'd you hate about it? What do you think of the Dutch Mill? Or even let me know your suggestions on, like, what chips I should do. I don't know how to end this video, honestly. Ooh, I know. Thumbnail? This is so stupid. Stupid lighting.